In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The telephone conversation between Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the foreign minister, and the UN Under Secretary General Rosemary DiCarlo. Public Health Ministry Deputy's Minister for Food and Medicine hold talks with Chinese investors on standardized and legitimate investments in pharmaceutical and food sectors. And Iran and Oman established joint mechanism for management of the Strait of Hormuz. Welcome to our news package. It's Thursday, the 2nd of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 28th of Juzah 1405, and the 18th of June 2026. The news details. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan, held a telephone conversation with Rosemary DiCarlo, the United Nations Under Secretary General for Political and Peace-Building Affairs. Based on the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the discussions focused on the delivery of humanitarian assistance to vulnerable Afghans and ways to enhance the effectiveness of aid operation across the country. Her Excellency Ms. DiCarlo expressed appreciation for facilitation measures provided for humanitarian activities in Afghanistan, describing them as an important factor in improving efficiency and reach of humanitarian assistance. Both sides emphasized the importance of maintaining mutual understanding, constructive engagement, and expanding future cooperation. Mawlavi Hamdullah Zahid, the Deputy Minister for Food and Medicine in the Ministry of Public Health, met with a delegation of Chinese investors to discuss legitimate and internationally standardized investment in pharmaceutical, food, and healthcare sectors. The Minister of Public Health stated that the Chinese delegation expressed its preparation to expand cooperation and examine joint investment opportunities in pharmaceutical, manufacturing, the production of raw materials for medicine, and the provision of healthcare services in Afghanistan. The news continuation. Randhir Jaiswal, the spokesperson for India's Minister of External Affairs, announced that India has dispatched 5 metric tons of essential medicine to Kabul. In a post published on X, he reaffirmed India's commitment to continuing humanitarian assistance and support for the people of Afghanistan. And ultimately, Ismail Baqai, the spokesperson for Iran's Minister of Foreign Affairs, stated that Tehran and Moscow have agreed to establish a joint mechanism for management of the Strait of Hormuz and, if necessary, will also consult and cooperate with other countries in the region. Mr. Baqai added that, under the agreement reached, maritime traffic through the Strait of Hormuz will return to normal operations within a specified time frame. He further emphasized that management of the Strait of Hormuz remains Iran's responsibility and that the implementation of the agreed arrangement will proceed without the need for participation or intervention by other parties. That concludes today's short news bulletin. Thank you for joining Urooj Research and Broadcasting News channel. Blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.